What if it never rained for 50 years? Imagine waking up tomorrow and hearing an unbelievable announcement. No more rain. Not for a day, not for a month, not even for a year. For the next 50 years, not a single drop of rain will fall anywhere on Earth. At first, it might not seem like a huge problem, but over time, this could become one of the greatest disasters in human history. So, what would really happen if it never rained for 50 years? Let's find out. The first few weeks. During the first few weeks, life would seem mostly normal. People would still have water from rivers, lakes, reservoirs, and underground sources. Most people would assume the drought was temporary, but scientists would quickly realize that something was terribly wrong with Earth's water cycle. After 1 year. After an entire year without rain, the effects would become impossible to ignore. Small rivers, ponds, and wetlands would begin to dry up. Farmers would struggle to grow crops. Many regions would start rationing water. Food prices would rise. Water would become more valuable than ever before. After 5 years, 5 years without rain would change the landscape dramatically. Many rivers would disappear completely. Large lakes would shrink year after year. Forests would begin to die. Green landscapes would slowly turn brown. Animals would travel long distances searching for food and water. Many would not survive. After 10 years. After 10 years without rain, the world would face a severe crisis. Crop production would collapse in many regions. Food shortages would spread across the globe. Millions of people would be forced to leave their homes in search of water. The largest human migration in history could begin. Entire communities might be abandoned. After 15 years, water would become the world's most valuable resource. Countries could compete for access to the remaining freshwater supplies. Tensions between nations would rise. Some experts believe conflicts over water could become more common than conflicts over oil. After 20 years. By now, many forests would be gone. Some of Earth's most famous rainforests would be struggling to survive. With fewer trees, oxygen production would decrease. Carbon dioxide levels would continue to rise. The atmosphere would become less balanced, making life even more difficult. After 30 years. The planet would look very different. Dust storms would become common in many regions. Deserts would expand across continents. Once thriving farmland would become dry and barren. From space, Earth would begin to lose much of its green color. After 40 years, many animal species would be extinct. Large cities would struggle to support their populations. Freshwater resources would be extremely limited. Many regions would become nearly uninhabitable. Humanity would be fighting every day just to survive. After 50 years, half a century without rain would transform the planet. Most rivers and lakes would be gone. Forests would have largely disappeared. Massive deserts would cover huge parts of Earth. Only a few advanced regions might still survive using technology such as water recycling and desalination. The world we know today would be almost unrecognizable. The final question. Could humanity survive? Maybe. But life would be far more difficult than anything we have ever experienced. Rain is much more than just weather. It is the foundation of life on Earth. Every plant, every animal, and every human depends on it. Without rain, our beautiful blue planet would slowly become a dry and hostile world. And that's why every drop of rain matters. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and follow for more amazing science stories and what-if scenarios.